There was a couple problems. They offered an error correction, so navigate and check things. And they did a bunch of things, and they looked at categories. And then I noticed down at the bottom here, these segment counts weren't populating. And so went through and says the hook fetches are all blah, blah, blah. Okay, 1,000 rows, and they fixed it. Okay, so now it looks good here on the categories page. Go to the home page here. Let's search for BMW. What do we got? Boom, BMW owners. There we go. So search works. That's good. I don't like the way this looks. It doesn't really look like how segments look in a system. So let's fix that. So it's not perfect. Play around and you'll just fix this website on your own. You're bug fixing without having to know any code. You're gonna just talk to it and say, that doesn't look good, fix it. And so instead of going to your designer and then going to the developer and then going back and forth and playing telephone, you get it good. So let's see what it says. Replace it. It's gonna do all this stuff. I'm gonna approve it. Hopefully it'll fix it. Maybe these should be cards. We can see more on a page. How many are there? I don't know. We'll go to all segments. Okay, 99 pages. Looks pretty good. Is this what we need to see? I think it's fine. Okay. Right, so there's like these little changes you need to make. And it's kind of fun. Okay.